Hi everybody and welcome back to the Legs Down YouTube channel. Thanks must go once again to Trev and Sue from Poshcats Camping for supplying the footage for this week's Sight Arrival video, which is us back in Suffolk, but this time we're heading to the coast and Felixstowe. Another very straightforward one, this one. From pretty much wherever you are in the country, you'll arrive via the A14 and you basically follow that right to its eastern end in Felixstowe, following the signs for the seafront. From this roundabout here, it's straight over, or the second exit. As soon as you pass the little supermarket, get ready to turn left. Just keep following this road now for around a third of a mile until you find yourself at the site entrance. And here we are, new arrivals pull up in this bay to the left here. The site's normally open from April till October and it's just over half a mile from Felixstowe seafront. Thanks once again to Trev and Sue for the footage, and to you two for watching if you've made it this far. See you next time. Cheers.